how to add or remove a card on Temu. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to add or remove a card on Temu. Alright, so let's begin. So the first thing that you want to do is open the Temu app on your mobile and make sure you are logged into your account. Over here, tap on your icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then go to Settings. After that, tap on Payment Methods. Then, if you want to add a card, tap on Add Card. Over here, enter your card details. After that, tap on Add, and your card will be saved. Now, if you want to remove a card, after that, tap on the card and then tap on Delete Card. It will ask for confirmation, just tap Yes, and your card will be removed. So that's basically how you can add or remove a card on Temu. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.